Welcome to the University of Louisville Campus Health Services. Because your students' academic success depends on their health, wellness, and safety, our services are designed to meet their needs. Campus Health Services includes our medical clinics, the Office of Health Promotion, and the Peace Program.
Hi, I'm Katrina, and I'm here to tell you about our Campus Health Services medical clinics. Our Belknap Clinic is located in the Cardinal Station building at 215 Central Avenue at the corner of Central and 3rd Avenues, right next to the baseball stadium. Our office provides free parking and on-site access to a shuttle station. The clinic is open weekdays during the summer with additional late and Saturday hours during the fall and spring semesters. After hours, if your student has an urgent medical problem or needs to speak with an on-call provider, he or she may call our main number directly to be connected with our answering service.
Campus Health Services offers a full range of primary care health services to our students, including sick visits, women's health care, physicals, chronic disease management, immunizations, allergy shot administration, pre-travel consultations, and behavioral health management. We even offer a free flu shot to every student on campus each fall. And we're particularly proud of our staff here at Campus Health that includes board-certified physicians, nurse practitioners, and psychiatrists. We do encourage your student to make an appointment with us by phone, but we do reserve a certain number of appointments every day for same-day sick visits. We do bill most major insurance carriers, and your student is eligible to receive certain services at a reduced rate if they have paid the primary care health fee.
Hi, my name is Frank, and I just graduated after 3 great years here at U of L. During my time here, I've had to visit Campus Health Services a couple times, sometimes for allergies and sometimes for injuries. I didn't know what to expect my first time, but I was glad to find out that it wasn't hard to get an appointment as long as I had the right info ready. Plus, Campus Health Services are available to all students, regardless of health insurance status. By the way, Campus Health is a health insurance advocate whose job is to help students navigate the health insurance maze. All the doctors, nurses, and staff are really great. I feel so much more confident about managing my own health care. I'm so glad that UL students have their own medical home, and it's right here on campus.
While your son or daughter is a student at U of L, he or she may access the medical and behavioral health services at our clinics. We invite you to stop by during orientation to see our state-of-the-art facility and familiarize yourself and your student with our services and location. U of L offers more than primary health care. No matter what issues students face, there are people and services available to support and guide them to find solutions. The Health Promotion Office, located in the Student Services Annex, provides a variety of services, programs, and resources that build students' resilience so they are better prepared to deal with life's challenges and to effectively bounce back from difficulties. This learned ability to be resilient supports students' academic and life success. The Health Promotion Office provides students with opportunities to learn resilience-building practices which bring purpose to individual choices and into the very design of our university community. Check out the Health Promotion Office logo on the website. It represents the reality of a well-balanced life.
There's more to health promotion than meets the eye. Our job here at U of L is to support our students' academic and personal success by providing services and programs that guide them to be resilient and critical thinkers and problem solvers. Because it turns out, one of the most important skills for students to learn is how to figure things out. There are so many critical decisions they need to make that ultimately do affect their well-being. Health promotion is happening all around campus, but you can find the main health promotion office here in the Student Services Annex. We also have an alcohol substance office in the Housing and Residence Life building. Our UFIT assessment and fitness coaching program is located in the Student Recreation Center. And our nutrition navigators can be found in the Ville Grill and other food locations on campus. In addition to fitness and nutrition coaching, we provide services that promote relaxation and stress resilience like yoga, meditation, massage, and flash nap workshops. Health Promotion also provides sexual health advisors and free HIV testing. Students have access to a variety of health promotion programs and workshops such as cooking and mindful eating, cold and flu prevention, sleep efficiency, sexual health and relationships, alcohol and other substance resiliency. U of L students can count on the Health Promotion Office to help them prepare to thrive in the world after college. Check out our programs and services at our website.
Hi, I'm Kate. One of my favorite parts of being a health advocate leader at the Health Promotion Office is riding the RAW-mobile. RAW stands for Random Acts of Health, and Rawson students promote health all around campus in random, yummy, and fun interactive ways. The Health Promotion Office has a professional staff as well as trained, knowledgeable students serving as health advocate leaders. We provide free resources like condoms, flu kits, or hand sanitizer, and respond to requests to present on various health topics. For example, HPV vaccines for men are a hot topic that we now educate about, and health insurance literacy is something new college students often ask us about. Since U of L is a smoke-free campus, the Health Promotion Office provides coaching and resources for students to be smoke-free. Health advocates also provide well-being coaching for students in areas like fitness and nutrition.
Hi, my name is Jared Barnes. I work in the Health Promotion Office. I'm also a UFIT fitness and assessment coach and a nutrition navigator. I'm also a Cardinal football player, so I've learned a lot about resilience on and off the field. But I hadn't really thought about how to build my ability to bounce back in other parts of my life. The amazing thing about health promotion services and programs is they're all designed to guide us students to become more resilient. I now know from my own experience, resilience makes a huge difference in how well I'm doing when I'm suited up, when I'm studying for a test, and when I have a tough life decision.
Here in Card Nation, we work hard to help students make healthy choices and behavioral changes when necessary. With the help of the Office of Health Promotion, our students are learning more and living well. An essential part of success at U of L is the safety of our students. The PEACE program, or Prevention, Education, and Advocacy on campus and in the community, is also located in the Student Services Annex and works to ultimately end experiences of stalking, intimate partner violence, and sexual assault. We do this by educating students on the impact of interpersonal violence, challenging social norms that contribute to a violent culture, and providing support to any student affected by violence. As we build a greater capacity for healthy relationships and increase the rates of bystander intervention, we believe that fewer friends and classmates will be hurt.
Unfortunately, we know that 1 in 4 women will be victims of violence during their college careers. And at the University of Louisville, we have a program, PEACE, that actually works with students to reduce their risk. So we think about that as a high number, but we want to actually do prevention for that. So when we think about what kind of skills students need, we want to make sure that they have healthy relationship skills. So we'll do educational presentations on how they can develop those things that would help them in a relationship. And then we want to build resiliency for anything that happens in their life. So we want them to not only bounce back, but bounce back better. Before each student comes in the fall, the first thing we want them to do is actually go to our website. So we have Title IX information, we have Clery Act information, we have information about the Student Code of Conduct, sexual misconduct policy. All of those directly affect how a student interacts in this environment.
Hi, I'm Will. I'm a sophomore at the University of Louisville and a student leader at PEACE. At PEACE, we're excited to allow students the opportunity to help create a safe and healthy campus environment. Each year, we engage hundreds of students through public awareness events that are held on campus, through volunteer opportunities, and trainings and discussions. Here are some of the events that PEACE holds that your student will be able to participate in. Take Back the Night, the Vagina Monologues performance, International Women's Day, Green Dot bystander trainings, Men of Peace events, and educational presentations in residence halls.
Hi, my name is Ashanti and I'm a freshman at U of L. I first heard of PEACE during orientation and I thought it was just if someone needed help. I decided to check out their event, Take Back the Night, and couldn't believe how many students were there and how many ways I could get involved. After attending a few volunteer meetings at PEACE, I started helping out in between classes. I even got my Green Dot bystander certification, so I feel ready to make a difference whether I'm at PEACE or not.
The PEACE program offers confidential assistance for students in person or through our 24-hour helpline. We are here to help and talk through options to anyone dealing with these issues. This is the power of peace, working hard to create a violence-free campus.
The power of peace works at U of L.
Now that you've heard about the Campus Health Services clinics, the Health Promotion Office, and the Peace Program, let's do a quick review of the requirements for your student to be a part of the Cardinal community.
Provide proof of required immunizations. All first-year students at U of L are required to provide proof of immunizations against routine vaccine preventable diseases and complete the tuberculosis screening form. These immunization requirements were developed utilizing the recommendations of the Centers for Disease Control and the American College Health Association. Simply print and complete the U of L immunization compliance form for first-time freshmen available on the Campus Health website. Submit this form with immunization records from your student's physician by mail, email, or fax by July 30th, 2014. Complete Alcohol EDU and Haven modules. This is a web-based alcohol education and sexual assault prevention program that is required of all incoming first-time freshman students. On July 14th, your student will receive an email containing specific instructions for logging on to the Alcohol EDU Haven modules. The sessions must be completed in order for your student to register for spring semester classes. Determine if you need the primary care health fee, which includes unlimited office visits, in-house labs, and other selected services at no charge. You may waive the fee by providing proof of insurance information through ULink. Consider purchasing the Student Health Insurance Plan. U of L's insurance is a platinum plan that offers excellent coverage at a premium comparable to other plans. You may contact our insurance advocate at 852-6519 for more information.
The Campus Health Services Medical Clinic welcomes you to U of L.
The Peace Program welcomes you to U of L.
The Health Promotion Office welcomes you to U of L.